The deal that built society, Hobbes and the social contract. So what happens when people decide to escape the chaos of the state of nature? They come together and make a pact, an agreement called the social contract. Imagine a world where everyone has complete freedom to do as they please. Sounds great, right? But here's the problem. When everyone follows their own rules, conflicts arise. Life becomes unsafe. So, people agree to give up some of their freedoms and accept a common authority, a sovereign, who will enforce laws and ensure peace. This is the essence of the Hobbesian social contract. Each person promises to obey the sovereign, and in return, they get protection and stability. It's like agreeing to follow the rules of a game so that everyone can play fairly. But here's something important. The state and the sovereign are not the same. The state is an artificial entity created by the people's agreement, while the sovereign is the person or group that runs it. The sovereign only acts on behalf of the state. This was a big shift from earlier ideas where kings claimed to be the state itself. Hobbes also made another crucial point. Sovereignty must be absolute. Once people choose their ruler, they cannot question or limit his power. The sovereign alone decides what is best for society. But here's the catch. The sovereign is not bound by the contract, only the people are. This means the sovereign has total authority to make laws, judge disputes, control the army, and even decide what information is allowed. According to Hobbes, questioning the sovereign leads to chaos, a return to the dangerous state of nature. However, there's one exception. People do retain one natural right, the right to defend their own life. If the sovereign tries to take their life unfairly, they have the right to resist. But no one else can help them, not even a friend or family member. Now, is this really fair? Critics argued that Hobbes' sovereign was too powerful. What if the ruler becomes a tyrant? Can a ruler truly protect freedom if he has the power to take it away? Hobbes tried to reassure people. He said a good sovereign won't interfere too much in people's lives. A ruler should only make laws that are necessary, like fences that keep travelers on the road without blocking their journey. In the end, Hobbes believed that people are safer under a strong ruler than in a lawless world. But is absolute power the best way to maintain order? That's a question that would shape political debates for centuries to come. In our next videos, we will discuss John Locke's concept of the social contract. Subscribe for more videos. Stay with InfoNest. Unlock the Vault of Wisdom.